Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Mr. B-Bear, or the Bear Gamer. Call me what you want. I'm showing you a new YouTube feature, very recent. It's basically just hashtags on your video. It only works right now on Android or on the web. It will probably come to iOS pretty soon, but I'm going to show you how to do it. What you want to do is go to the video you want to have a hashtag on. Go to Edit. And let's do this. Hashtag new channel. Hashtag welcome. It only works with up to 3 things. Hashtag. Yeah, that's good. Okay, so now if you go to the video. Welcome to my. Yeah, that's that video. What you need to do is, I don't think you can actually view it at the moment on your own account. Don't know why. But, so you go to the channel, it's like, oh, this is a pretty neat thing. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to my channel. So there it is. It has hashtag new channel, hashtag that. So yeah, you can try this yourself and go check it out. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share it with your friends. Bye, guys.